we are going to discuss about this rational numbers. The numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q is known as rational numbers. Numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q is known as rational numbers, where the condition is very important here, where p comma q belongs to integers and q not equals to 0. Q not equal to 0. This is the condition for rational numbers. So every number can be represented in the form of p by q form, where p comma q are integers and z q is not equal to 0. Then only we call it as rational number. The another form R, or the rational numbers also known as, these rational numbers are also known as quotient numbers. Quotient numbers. So that's the reason why quotient numbers, these rational numbers are represented with letter q. So represented with q, the letter q. So also known as quotient numbers, and we are representing with letter q. So this is called rational number. So different forms of rational numbers we are going to discuss now. Different forms of rational numbers. Rational numbers. So first, decimal form of rational number. Decimal form. Here, the decimal form is nothing but, here two types of decimal forms are there. This is first one is terminating decimals. All the terminating decimals are called as rational numbers. This is called terminating decimal. So examples we can see the terminating decimals. 0.5, it is a terminating decimal. Same 0.12 or 3.14, etc. are terminating decimals. Now coming to second point of view, non-terminating repeating decimal. So non-terminating repeating decimal. So all the terminating decimals are called rational numbers. All the non-terminating repeating decimals also rational number. So here we can see an example. Non-terminating decimals 1.222 and so on. This can be represented simply 1.2 bar. So this is also rational number. So for example 3.14 and so on. So this can be represented 3.14. So it means that any decimal can be represented with bar after the decimal point. If any decimal number is repeating with bar, this is also known as non-terminating repeating decimals, are also called as rational numbers. So this is called decimal form of rational number. Now coming to all the square root of perfect square. So next form, another form. The square root of a perfect square. The square root of a perfect square is also a rational number. For example, you can see root of 25. This is a perfect square. So like that. So root of 36 is a perfect square. Root of 16 is perfect square. Root of 9 is perfect square, and so on, etc. All the perfect square which are inside the root is also known as rational numbers. Okay.